Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to take the right financial and investment decisions to help reach your financial goals faster and smarter. Are you an young adult in India looking for the best investment options to start your wealth creation journey early? Then you're at the right place. Let's dive into this video and cover this topic detailedly and look at some of the best options available for you as an young adult here in India. Young adults in India have a significant advantage when it comes to investing, which is time. The power of compounding interest can truly grow your nest egg over a long period. Here are some of the great best investment options for young adults in India to consider, keeping in mind your risk tolerance and financial goals. First, we are going to look at the low risk options. Number one is the Public Provident Fund, PPF. PPF is a government backed savings scheme that is considered one of the best low risk investment options for young adults in India. It not only offers guaranteed returns but also provides tax benefits under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. With a tenure of 15 years and the option of extending it in blocks of 5 years, the PPF is ideal for long term financial goals such as retirement planning, children's education, or buying a home. While the lock in period may seem daunting, the flexibility of partial withdrawals after the sixth year and the compounded tax free interest makes it a compelling choice for risk averse investors. Second is the Sukanya Samriddhi Account SSA. This is designed exclusively for the girl child, offering attractive interest rates and tax benefits under Section 80C, making it a best investment option for young adults in India planning for their daughter's future. With a tenure of 21 years or until the girl child gets married, whichever is earlier, the SSA encourages parents to save for their daughter's future expenses like higher education or marriage. While the extended lock in period may require some careful consideration, the tax free nature of withdrawals and the assurance of financial security for the girl child makes it a popular choice among parents. The third one we have here is the National Pension Scheme NPS. This is a voluntary long term retirement savings scheme regulated by the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. PFRDA. It offers tax benefits under Section 80C for contributions for up to 1.5 lakh rupees and an additional tax benefit of 50,000 rupees under Section 80 CCD1B, making it a best investment option for young adults in India with a long-term view for retirement planning. With a choice of investment options across equity, corporate bonds, and government securities, the NPS allows investors to build a retirement corpus according to their risk appetite and financial goals. While the lock-in period until retirement may seem restrictive to you now, the flexibility of partial withdrawals for specific purposes like children's education, marriage, or medical emergencies adds to its appeal. Now we are going to look at the medium risk options. Number one is the bank fixed deposits (FDs). FDs are a popular investment option for young adults in India, especially for those with a low risk tolerance seeking stability. Available across various tenors ranging from a few days to several years, FD offers fixed interest rates that are unaffected by market fluctuations. While they provide liquidity through premature withdrawal options, yearly withdrawals may attract penalties and the interest earned is subject to tax. FDs are suitable for short to medium term financial goals like building an emergency fund, purchasing consumer durables, or like planning a holiday. Second, we have debt mutual funds. Debt mutual funds invest in fixed income securities like government bonds, corporate bonds, treasury bills, and money market instruments. They offer relatively higher returns than traditional fixed deposits with lower volatility than equity funds, making them an attractive investment option for young adults in India seeking moderate risk and stable returns. While debt mutual funds provide diversification and professional fund management, they are subject to interest rate risk, credit risk, and liquidity risk. Investors should carefully assess their risk tolerance and investment horizon before allocating funds to debt mutual funds. Third option is the recurring deposits (RDs). RDs are a systematic savings instrument offered by banks and financial institutions, allowing investors to inculcate a disciplined savings habit with fixed deposits at regular intervals. RDs offer flexibility in terms of deposit amount, tenure, and frequency of deposits, making them suitable for individuals with varying income levels and financial goals. While RDs provide stable returns and encourage disciplined saving habits, Premature withdrawals may attract penalties just like FDs, and the interest earned is subject to tax. RDs are ideal for short to medium term financial goals like planning a vacation, purchasing household appliances, or funding a special occasion. Now we are going to look at the higher risk options. Number one we have here is the equity mutual fund SIP. Equity mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks across various sectors and market capitalization. Systematic investment plans like SIPs allow investors to invest a fixed amount at regular interval, averaging the purchase cost over time and reducing the impact of market volatility. While equity mutual funds offer the potential for higher returns over the long term, they are subject to market risk, volatility, and fluctuations in the stock prices. Investors should have a long term investment horizon, ideally 5 years or more, a high risk tolerance, and a diversified portfolio before investing in equity mutual funds through SIPs. Number two we have here is the exchange traded funds, which is ETF. ETF or investment funds that trade on stock exchanges like individual stocks, tracking the performance of a specific index, commodity, sector, or asset class. ETFs offer diversification, liquidity, and potentially lower expense ratios compared to actively managed mutual funds, making them a cost effective investment option for young adults in India seeking exposure to specific market segments. While ETFs provide flexibility and transparency, they are subject to market risk, tracking error, and the liquidity risk. Investors should carefully assess their investment objectives, risk tolerance, and investment horizon before investing in ETFs. Important things to consider before investing in any of the above options is very crucial for young adults to consider several factors such as risk tolerance. How much risk are you comfortable with? Lower risk options offer lower potential returns, while higher risk options offer the potential for higher returns but with greater volatility. Second, the investment horizon. When will you need the money? Long term goals allow for investing in riskier options for growth potential. Short term goals may be better suited for safer options with guaranteed returns. Third are your financial goals. What are you saving for? Is it for retirement, a down payment on a house, or a child's education will influence your investment choices. So carefully consider these factors before choosing to invest in any of the above options. Additional tips to consider before investing is number one, to start early and to invest regularly. Whatever small amount you have, no matter how small, just make sure to invest it consistently as it can grow significantly over time due to the power of compounding. Second is to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to manage risk. Third, do your research. Understand the investment options before committing your money. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized guidance. So, finally, the final takeaway from this video is to understand the investment options before committing your hard earned money. Second, consider investing or consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance as they will help guide you into making the right financial and investment decisions. Finally, by carefully considering your options and starting early and staying disciplined with your investments, you can build a strong financial foundation for your future as a young adult in India. So, if you want to read more detailedly about this topic, you can find the blog post in our website, for which the link is given in the description. And also, if you like such financially beneficial videos and want to watch some more, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. And if you want personalized guidance from a professional financial advisor, you can also speak with one of our financial planners from the link in a description on a one-on-one complimentary consultation. Thank you so much for watching.